Hello everyone, I hope you all are good and you all are practicing questions. Now we are going to do three consecutive questions. They are not numericals but they are conceptual one and these are asked by us. Let us start with first one. Average speed, there is a body that is moving along a straight line. So first ये कह रहा है कि average speed can be less than minimum speed attained by the body. सो अगर आप एवरेज निकालते हो स्पीड का इट इज टेलिंग दैट कैन दैट वैल्यू बी लेस देन मिनिमम स्पीड अटेन्ड while traveling. सो ये स्टेटमेंट कंप्लीटली रॉन्ग होगा. क्यों? दिस इज प्योरली न्यूमेरिकल थिंग, प्योरली मैथमेटिक्स थिंग. सो सपोज कर लो यू आर कैलकुलेटिंग एवरेज ऑफ थ्री नंबर्स. सो हाउ यू विल डू दैट? सम ऑफ थ्री नंबर्स डिवाइडेड बाई थ्री, राइट? सो लेट्स टेक थ्री नंबर 2 3 5 लिया हमने. सो 2 plus 3 plus 5 divided by 3, you will get 10 by 3. This is 3.33 something. So this average is greater than minimum value and this average is less than maximum value. है ना? कोई भी एग्जाम्पल आप ले लो. सपोज कर लो 10 20 और 30 का एवरेज निकाल रहे हो. सो 30 plus 20 50, 50 plus 10 हाउ मच? दैट विल गिव यू 60. सो 60 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 करो, you are getting 20. So this is what? This is again greater than that minimum value out of these three. So this is a pure mathematics thing कि average value क्या होगा तुम्हारा? Greater than that of minimum value होगा. ठीक है? So first cannot be true, this will be wrong. अगर आप तीन सेम चीज का एवरेज निकालते हो ना, जैसे 10 10 10 का एवरेज निकालो, तो यू विल बी गेटिंग 10 ओनली. सॉरी 3. सो यू विल बी गेटिंग 10 ओनली. सो सेम चीज का अगर 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 यहाँ पे होता है कि स्पीड कांस्टेंट रहता है, तो एवरेज स्पीड विल बी इक्वल टू व्हाट? दैट कांस्टेंट स्पीड, राइट? So these are pure mathematics thing. We need to take example in the case we are not able to understand. ठीक है? Average speed cannot be less than minimum speed attained by the body. Yes, it cannot ever be less than that of minimum speed. Magnitude of average velocity can be less than the minimum speed attained. सो मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ एवरेज वेलोसिटी की बात कर रहा है. नाउ फिजिक्स विल कम इन टू अकाउंट. स्पीड क्या था? स्केलर क्वांटिटी था. मैथमेटिक्स से प्योरली वी कैन एनालाइज थिंग्स, बट दिस इज एवरेज वेलोसिटी, डिस्प्लेसमेंट बाय टाइम. सो इट कैन बी लेस देन मिनिमम स्पीड अटेन. यस, इट कैन बी जीरो बिकॉज, राइट? क्योंकि अगर आप सोच लो कोई भी फॉर ए बॉडी मूविंग ऑन ए स्ट्रेट लाइन, अगर वो स्ट्रेट लाइन पे जा रहा है, ऐसे जा रहा है, ठीक है? सो I mean, maybe after certain amount of time, it has reversed its direction. And if it has reversed its direction, it is still moving along the straight line and it has reached to the starting point. Displacement has become zero, right? And if displacement has become zero, average velocity will become zero. And in that case, zero will be what? Zero will be less than that of the minimum speed attained. So C is going to be correct. ठीक है? सो मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ एवरेज वेलोसिटी कैन बी लेस देन मिनिमम स्पीड अटेन्ड. डन है? नाउ डी, मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ एवरेज वेलोसिटी कैन नॉट बी लेस देन मिनिमम स्पीड अटेन्ड. नो, अगर सी करेक्ट है तो डी क्या है तुम्हारा? इनकरेक्ट है. सो इसको आप क्या करो? इनकरेक्ट करो. ठीक है? नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट. An object may have varying speed without having varying velocity. सो इज इट पॉसिबल कि उसका स्पीड वेरी कर रहा हो और वेलोसिटी वेरी नहीं कर रहा हो? वेलोसिटी इज व्हाट? स्पीड विद डायरेक्शन, राइट? सो वेलोसिटी चेंज कब होगा? I mean velocity is a vector quantity. It has magnitude, it has direction. So velocity will change either when direction is changing or magnitude is changing. If magnitude is changing, it means there is varying speed, right? So if a speed is varying, it means magnitude is changing. So velocity will also change, right? So this cannot be true. Varying velocity without uh, varying speed. So body can have varying velocity without varying speed. Yes, it can have, because even if magnitude is not changing, that is speed is not changing, direction may change and we may get varying velocity, right? In the case of circular motion, आपने uniform circular motion पढ़ा होगा, where modulus of v is constant. But since when particle is here, velocity direction is here. When particle is here, velocity direction is here. Direction is changing. And because of this change in direction, we are getting centripetal acceleration, v square by r. ठीक है? So From circular motion, you could have answered this one. B will be what? It will be correct. Now, non-zero acceleration without having varying velocity. So, acceleration कब आता है? When there is change in velocity. So, if change in velocity is not happening, acceleration zero ही होगा, non-zero नहीं हो सकता. So, this cannot be true. ठीक है? Now, non-zero acceleration without having varying speed. Yes, in the case of circular motion, I mean, speed is not varying, but still acceleration is non-zero. Centripetal acceleration is there. So from there, we could have answered this question. B and D are correct. Okay? Chalo, now let us answer this one. If the velocity of body is constant, so velocity of body तुम्हारा क्या है? Constant है. Then आई मीन वेलोसिटी के कांस्टेंट होने का मतलब क्या है कि उसका डायरेक्शन क्या रह रहा है? फिक्स. एंड उसका मैग्नीट्यूड भी क्या है? फिक्स. ठीक है. सो मॉड ऑफ वेलोसिटी विल बी इक्वल टू स्पीड. यस, डन है. क्योंकि मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ वेलोसिटी इज व्हाट? दैट इज स्पीड. सो या velocity will be equal to average velocity. Yes, because direction is not changing, magnitude is not changing. That is why we can say that with same velocity it is moving in the same direction. So at each instant, its velocity is a constant, and that is equal to v. And if at each instant value is same, its average will be also same. जैसे मैंने बोला था कि अगर आप 10 सपोज कर लो, हमें 5 5 5 5 5 का एवरेज निकालना है. क्या करोगे? सबको जोड़ दोगे और कितने से डिवाइड करोगे? जितने नंबर से. सो 5. Now this will become how much? 25 by 5. This is 5. So if all numbers are same, their average will be same as that number, right? So if velocity at each instant is same, its average will be that velocity itself, right? So B has to be what? Correct. Average velocity will be equal to speed. Yes, because average velocity is equal to velocity and velocity is equal to speed here, right? So speed is equal to average speed. Yes, done it, because at each instant value of speed is same. Done it. So I hope you have understood this question, but if you have doubt anywhere, you can always let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Take care of yourself and keep on solving more number of questions.